Our people, another day, now well done. Mr. Abati, I am a ratel. Who are you? Who are you? I don't know who you be. Who you be? At the body don't tell you now. You just did that your eyes they run your mouth up. Pam, 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 pam. I made the video the first time when after you make all that noise finish. I tell you. Body don't chill you now, you go rest. Next time you go know how to talk. No say because you will be newscaster, you think saying everything you go put mouth. You think saying everything go begin run. Put. People don't know say you go prison before you don't see her now. They don't open your nyash now. People they look up, they respect you, they look you up. For nah. They don't know say you be ex-convict. Now don't go they put mouth for where anyway, make I not say no put mouth because now newscaster I be you can do talk. But make you know how you go to handle situation. Something they happen outside Nigeria. People they suffer there. Somebody take your own money within time and everything go find out. Make effort. You come Nigeria, they ask for help from the federal government. From the bodies when you feel say they involved, where they supposed to handle the area. Even if he made a mistake. But that wasn't even a mistake. Anything in the diaspora, now Abike Dabiri, he did under Abike Dabiri, or if you know they under and direct, she has a hand, she can redirect and advise. Instead, she begin abuse. Now VDM now, she and VDM the glass goes. Now wait till you go talk as old and as mature that you are. Make I not use old because everybody won't get old by the grace of God. So I not go use that one. I take the follow you. But we they look you like somebody where supposed to reason well. Now you go attend to the issue. They compare VDM, VDM this, portable this, portable that. Must you compare? Portable self now he never answer you maybe because he just come on for Gen 10 and himself he never cook your own give you. By the time you go cook your own give you now, maybe they block video. I say they block video. Now we just they run on a mat anyhow. Thank God for the lady where they cast news. I forgot her name. She stood her ground and she let you know. Even she won't even save you that first time when they run your mouth. She they try save you, but you no agree. Only you they run your mouth. Pop at the top. Nah, body don't calm you. People don't know your nyash now. So they wear coat, constantly every day. They make noise. They talk who they think say you even responsible. You don't say you be one irresponsible person. They talk anyhow. They defend woman where she herself knows say she fumble. You they defend her. And I say don't they defend that woman for a long time. So they encourage her to do bad. They encourage her to run from the path where she's supposed what she's supposed to do, where she know they do well. They help cover her. You talk to a woman like that. You woman where nobody's a stranger to you. Somebody where you and they come on and they come studio every day. They see on herself. They try correct you. They try tell you the things where they do well bad. You they follow her up like that. The way they talk to that woman, go see how they talk to your wife house. And we will not get anything to tell you. But what we just tell you, say, I just ask you now. I am a rat. Who are you? Mr. Abati. Mugu. Just they run your mouth. Say no, they speak English pass. They don't see you now. See you for Gentena. Who knows what you did there before? Or now you know who this VDM be. Now sense on they gonna and they learn. That's why I go still keep to the clap for Obi Kuban. I'm telling you the truth. Here and VDM issue, you just VDM just put Martin talk, VDM put Martin just whoever rather than advise himself, now people advise him, now he go take note, say some people nobody money, some get wisdom, some get sense. And I respect them for that. They never talk, you don't call you the blogram up and no, you don't chop her now. You don't talk, do again, make it talk again. You say, you video that say, if you talk, that your job you go lose. Because before I go tell you that one, make you know say things they were in hold. Make you just know. They go, they block them. Even if you lock and your people go, then go see the other people go forward and give you. You go see what they happen. Yeah, man. You need to respect yourself. You know the size of Oseni they treat cases. Learn from Oseni. You senior and for age. You don't mean say he's a very smart person. He knows how to handle situation. Learn from him. No be to call it they come blow gram up and down. Learn from Oseni. They run your mouth as you dark like you know. I this are black self now. I see your color. I can't say myself that be Igbo from where you did. Load do. Run your mouth again, make you lose your job. Mugu.